Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the odd one out in the given set. So to find that, let's first number the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now let's write these codes L, R, Z. So L has 12 number, R has 18 number, and Z has 26 number. If we look at it, 12 plus 6 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 18 plus 8 is 26. Now let's see KRY. KRY. K is 11, R is 18, Y is 25. So this is plus 7 plus 7. So let's see Q X E. Q is 17, X is 24, and E is 5. So 17 plus 7 is 24, and 24 plus 7. See, 24, 25, 26, 27, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are again at plus 7. So let's see. J, Q, X. J is 10. Q is 17. X is 24, and if we look at it, plus 7 plus 7. So the only different member here is LRZ, which is obtained by adding 6 and 8 in its members, consecutive members. So let's see. Odd member is LRZ. Therefore, we can say answer is option C.